Hello guys, we're continuing consider the application and interpretation standard level May 2025 paper 1 exam. Second question about the chi-square test statistics. Given that a car manufacturer collected data about preferred car color from drivers in the various age groups, the results are presented in the following table. Write down the value of B. So the first question is write down the value of B. So you see that the second row we have total 58, and we know that the 58 could be obtained by adding all these two values together, 15 plus B plus 10 plus 12, and then that's how we will get that B is equal to 58 minus 15 minus 10 and minus 12. Yeah, so that's how we'll get 21. So you see it is 1 mark, and by the way it is 5 marks total. It means that we should spend something about 5 minutes or less. Okay, next question, next part. The car manufacturer performed a chi-square test for independence at the 1% significance level to determine if there is significant evidence that different age groups have different car color preferences. The null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis are defined as H0, age and car of color prefers are independent, so it's our default position. And alternative hypothesis, age and car color preferences are not independent. So if we will perform the chi-square statistics, we will see that the critical value for the test given by 16.81. And the formula of using expected frequency formula is row total multiplied by column total, and divided by grand total. Okay, so for this case it's row total, and the chi-square. So using the calculator you can simply find the chi-square straightforward. So whatever calculator you use, TI Inspire, TI 84 or Casio, doesn't matter, you will find the place where you can calculate the chi-square statistics. So chi-square statistics for this case is equal to 18.06. So this value is more than critical value, right? So more than critical value. So the conclusion is that we are rejecting null hypothesis. So that's why age and color preferences are not independent. Or we can say more precisely that there are insufficient evidence to suggest that age and car color preference are independent. Okay, so that's how you will get the 2 marks. So this is 2 marks and 2 marks. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to record special video how to use a calculator. It will be separate video. And for now, let's go to the next question.